How to change iPhone app icons without Siri shortcuts. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Go to the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Color Widgets. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Color Widgets app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, Color Widgets is already downloaded on your phone. Over here, tap on Open to open the app. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Icons. From here, you can choose the app icon style pack that you prefer. Then, tap on Save Pack. Select the icons you want to install and then tap on Install Icons below. Then, tap on Tint Icons. Now, go back to your home screen. Tap and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps jiggle. Then, tap on the Edit button. Here, select Customize in the menu that appears. And then, select the tinted option and choose an app icon color to apply. Following these steps, you can easily change iPhone app icons without Siri shortcuts.